Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax here at Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you a 2016 Cobalt A40. This is a 40-foot boat. The engines have 385 hours on both of them and about 350 hours on the gin. Does come with the isinglass. Gray sea deck here for you. Gonna jump aboard here. You have a TV up here in the cockpit. You do have a day grill and a sink here as well. The refrigerator and everything is lined up underneath the grill there for you. It is all one level in here, so very easy to entertain. Plenty of seating. Nice Garmin dash there for you. Does have the joystick system here. These are the VOLVO diesel engines. Steps to the bow up through the center window here for you. Looking downstairs. A nice U-shaped seating. Big stand-up head here for you. Back underneath you have more seating on a dual couch there. Again, this is a 2016 A40. Available here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks.